If you're here, this means you're ready to do something for yourself. And that's exactly where I was. Broke, overwhelmed, and tired of dreaming about one day. When I first started my baby brand Petusia, I didn't have tech skills. I didn't have money, but I took the leap anyway. I figured things out by allowing myself to make mistakes. And now I'm here to guide you. I don't want you to see this as a complicated thing, as something that only other people can do and not you. I want you to see this as something that you can handle. When I first started Petusia, not only I didn't know what I was doing, but the English also was a big barrier. I'm a French native speaker. I have to learn all this in a different language, and I did it and I made it, so you can also do it. When it seems like things are not moving, just take a break and come back later, but never assume that that's the end. Never assume that you cannot do it, because I can guarantee you that if I can, you can. So let's get started.
Before you start anything, you need to make sure that you do have a name. How are you going to name your business? And also, you need to make sure that the name that you want to name your business with is also available, because you want to match your business name with your social media and your website. You want everything to have the same name. You want everything to match. So right now I'm on GoDaddy, but there's multiple places where you can find where you can purchase your domain name. You can even purchase it directly on Shopify app, but here I'm going to show you later on the video. I'm going to show you where you can purchase it in Shopify. So you make sure first that you got the domain name right, because even no matter what place you want to purchase the domain name, when you tap the domain name in a search, as right now Pat School, you can see it says Pat School is taken on the screen. It says Pat School is taken. So before you do anything with any domain name, make sure that the domain name is available. So the next step you're going to take after choosing the domain name is to go to the website uspto.com. That's where you're going to register your domain name. In one way, it's like you saying, like, I don't want anyone else to use this domain name. This name belongs to me. I'm the first person using it for this particular business. Let's say you're doing skincare or baby product. You want to use that domain name for one particular section. You're going to be exclusively the only person using that name for that particular thing. If the name is available at USPTO and the domain name is also available at GoDaddy or any other host that you want to use, then you can go ahead and start opening your store at Shopify. You just click on start for free, and then you fill out the prompt. You're gonna have a couple of questions on what type of business you wanna start. Are you gonna sell physical product, digital product? In my opinion, you don't have to spend too much time doing that, because you can always come back and update those information later as you go. After you open Shopify, this is how your dashboard will look like. This is where you're going to spend most of your time fixing your website. But don't worry about it. I love Shopify because they will walk you through it. This is how your website going to look like right after you just create it. So right now, what we have to do is to link our domain name so our website can be named like Amazon.com or whatever name that we did choose that we want to name our website for. So the name could be Amazon.com, Amazon.net, Amazon.store. So now it's time to link the domain name in our website. This is the place in Shopify where you can buy your domain name directly in Shopify and link it at Shopify as well. You see, Shopify has also a way for you to see if the name has been taken and so on and so forth. So as you can see here, ChatGPT, as I tap it, it's taken. So whatever is available is what you can see that is available for purchase. So after you select the domain name, you can go to record and purchase it. After you select the domain name, the next step is to go ahead and choose your theme. Your theme is, I would say, is like the layout of your website. The good thing with Shopify is that you don't need to know how to code. You can just go ahead and select one of the free theme and customize it as you like. You can put your own colors, you can put your own products, and in a matter of 5 to 10 minutes, your website is ready. So they have free themes. They also have themes that you're gonna have, if you want them, you're gonna have to purchase it. But either way, you're gonna still have to customize the theme that you're gonna choose. So it's not because you pay something that you're not gonna have to upload your own product. Upload your own descriptions and so on and so forth. So you're still gonna have to do a little bit of work, but at the end it's worth it. It's not as if you have to code or do everything on your own. Basically, it's just like you pick one of those themes. Instead of the shirt or the bottle, you just add your own product and your own description. You add your price and you're good to go. There is so many things that you need to think about before you start your business that we didn't cover in this video, such as registering your business for tax purpose. So it's not just about creating a website. The website is fine. It's great to have a website and working on it. And matter of fact, if I'm gonna have another video where I'm gonna walk you through it as well. You don't have to do everything on your own. I was reading that book. I forget the name of the author, but the title was "Ask Yourself Who." Don't ask how. Who can help me get this done? Because I remember when I first started, it was so overwhelming. Since I didn't have a lot of money, I was trying to do everything on my own, and I did everything on my own, but it wasn't supposed to be like that. I wish I knew that I didn't have to do everything on my own. I can have $50, $100, give it to someone, and they get my website ready. Asking yourself how I can get this done instead of who can help me getting done will get you stuck, because you're not going to be able to do everything on your own. When you delegate tasks like website descriptions, you're going to have time to think of creativity. That's the problem that I had when I first started Potusia. I didn't know the why. I just went ahead, bought a bunch of baby product and then upload them in my website. What is the problem that you intend to solve in your industry? even though someone else is doing it already, but at least you know what is the problem that you're solving in your industry. Okay, enough talk. So guys, this is how your website will look like after you select the theme, and then you can just go ahead and edit each one at a time. You select the header, and then you select each part. And I love Shopify for that reason. Like, they even have like free images that you can just select, like this one. Yeah, you can just select it and then use it if you want to. And each part, you just keep going and select each part at a time, one part at a time. And then after the main page, you can go ahead and add product. To add a product, you just select the product, add a title, add a description, and add the product image, the price, and you're good to go. And I know for the it's not as easy as you can see it on the screen right now, because like I said, you don't have to do everything on your own. But if you have to do everything, make sure that the descriptions has your keywords. In this video as well, we didn't talk about CEO. You want to make sure that you maximize your CEO. So you want to add great keywords. You want to add your keywords, so when people search your product on Google, they're going to be able to find your website, because that's the goal. When you have a website, you want to be you want to have people find you easily. So it doesn't make sense to have a website if no one can find you, if no one doesn't know that you exist. So part of that is to add your keywords in your description, in your title. I can make another video for that, how you can customize your website for search engine. Make sure that you fill out all the options available. If your product has like different colors or different sizes, make sure that you list them. It's so easy with Shopify, in the way that you see they let you actually add different colors, add different options, and it's easy to walk through. So here is one product that we just add how it looks like. Yes, you just add the photo, you customize the size or whatever you have, the color or size, and then that's it. The last part is to add the payment, and that as well, you just click on payment, and then it's gonna prompt you to add your debit or credit card, and you fill out the form, and then yeah, you said it's actually easy for nowadays to receive payment with Shopify. After the payment set, from now on anybody can go ahead and purchase anything from your website.
This is the end of this video, guys. Thank you for watching. This mini guide is your permission to take the first step. You already have the dream. Now you know what to do.